Still copying customer details from one Excel table to another? Stop wasting time. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you an amazing Excel trick to connect two tables, no copy-paste. Okay, let's dive in. Here's a very common real-world business scenario. In the first sheet, we have a master customers table containing customer IDs, names, cities, and states. In the second sheet, we're tracking sales transactions, which include customer IDs and sales amounts. Now, we want Excel to intelligently connect these two tables, so it automatically pulls the correct customer name and city for every sale. Now let's connect both tables using XLOOKUP, the smart and modern way. Click on cell E2 in the sales sheet. Type equals XLOOKUP. For the lookup value, select cell B2, this is our customer ID. Next, for the lookup array, switch to the customer sheet, and select the customer ID column. Now here's the powerful part, select both the name and city columns together as the return array. Press enter, and drag it down. Excel instantly matches the customer ID, and pulls multiple columns at once. Now your sales table is fully connected to your customers table. Now let's make this formula error-proof, the way professionals do it. Sometimes a customer ID may not exist in the master table, and Excel would normally throw an error. That doesn't look good in reports or dashboards. So we simply wrap our formula with IFERROR. This way, instead of showing an error, Excel displays a clean not found message. Press enter, and drag the formula down. Your data stays clean, reliable, and presentation ready. Comment below, what's your favorite trick to connect two tables in Excel? I'd love to see what works best for you. And if this trick helped, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more time-saving Excel tips.